Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Python and the launcher are reachable from CMD. Open an elevated installer or modify path. Make sure /Python39 and scripts are included so CMD finds Python. Once done, verify with Python version or Py-3 version and confirm pip works. Create an isolated environment next. Python mvenv envname, then activate it. This prevents dependency conflicts and makes subsequent commands reliable. It also clarifies which interpreter runs when you type Python or Py. Once the environment is ready, run files directly, PyScript, Py on Windows or Python script, Py for the active interpreter. To use modules as scripts, run Python m package, module that avoids path issues. Make file associations if double-click execution is needed, and on Unix add a shebang and chmod +x. When installing dependencies, run pip install r requirements. txd inside the venv so versions match. Test with a small script that prints output. This confirms CMD invokes the expected interpreter and paths resolve correctly. Finish by confirming workflow. Activate the venv, run your app, then deactivate when done. If multiple Python versions exist, use Py-3 mpip to target a specific interpreter. If commands fail, check where Python resolves with where Python on Windows or which Python on Unix, and then update environment variables accordingly. One key troubleshooting tip: if you see module not found error, make sure you activated the correct venv and installed requirements there. Most problems are environment or path mismatches, so fix those first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.